In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Snapchat Spotlight videos without watermark to your camera roll. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Snapchat on your device and head over to the Spotlight section of Snapchat. Now select a video and click on the share button for the video that you want to download without a watermark. Now in here, as you can see, you can download this using Snapchat itself, but this will have a watermark. So what you can do to remove the watermark is to click on the copy link. Copy the link of the Snapchat Spotlight video that you want to download. Open a video converter on your browser, which will allow you to remove the watermark once you download the video, and paste the link of the video in here. Now, as you can see in here, I can immediately download the video without watermark using this tool. And that's how you can simply download Snapchat Spotlight video without watermark. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.